So what you can also do is utilize ChatGPT to solve a math problem. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto the message section and then give this particular problem right here. So it says, what is the value of x when 2x plus 3 is equal to 3x minus 4? You don't really need to write any other prompt right here. So you can just go around and give this question, and ChatGPT recognizes it as a mathematical problem and solves it out, as you can see right here. So starting from 2x plus 3 equals 3x minus 4. So now this is what you have, and then you can see that it got the answer as 7 right here at the end. And that is what you have. So that is how ChatGPT is utilized. So what you can also do is you can go around and give problems like convert decimal to binary right here, just like this. And then what happens is that it converts the decimal number right here to binary right here, just like this. And then this is what you have. So now you can also do this. So you can go around over here and type in this right here, just like this. Convert this binary to octal right here, just like this. And then press enter. And what happens is that to convert the binary to octal, it actually goes around and then divides it, and then you can see that this is what you have. So this is how it solves out the mathematical problems, as you can see, just like that. And you can also give a base. Let's say, for example, Ram has 10 apples. Sita took, let's say, for example, took 5, and Sam took 2. How many apples are left with right here, just like this? So once I go around and do that, what happens is that it starts calculating this as well. So you can see that this is what you have, and then it gives 3 apples as an answer. So that is how you can go around and get solutions to mathematical questions inside of ChatGPT. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.